Hello, welcome to another episode of Simple Learning. Today we are going to discuss a new topic of our writing skill, poster making. So at first we have to know what is a poster. A poster is a visual means of communication used to convey the message efficiently and effectively. It is made up of both text and images to make it eye-catching as well as informative. It is used for making an announcement or appeal, issuing a notice, advertising a product, or bringing about awareness on any issue of public interest. And the art of making a poster is called poster making. Next, we will learn the format of poster making. First, draw a rectangular box of the size of the poster. Second, in the top middle, write the title or theme of the poster. Third, exactly below the title, write the slogan or quote or information related to the theme of the poster. Fourth, you can make some relevant drawing, bubbles, etc. and write some catchy phrases, quotes, proverbs or some short information in them. And lastly, mention the issuing authority, that is the person or organization who has issued the poster. One thing I want to tell here that there is no fixed format or fixed way to design a poster, but you should include these points in your poster. Now, we will design a poster with the help of these points. Suppose our question is design a poster to launch tree plantation campaign in the area surrounding your school. So, the solution is at first make a box. It is the first rule to design a poster. Then in the top middle, write the title, plant trees and live longer. Now, what is the theme of our poster? Our theme is to announce that there will be a tree plantation campaign and inviting people to join the campaign. So, next we are going to write join tree plantation campaign in such a way that it should be eye-catchy. See, I have written it in a box with bright colors. Third, exactly below the title and theme, write the necessary information related to the title. Here you can highlight the points why people should join campaign. Here you can use bullet sign and write a few points like release oxygen, bring rain, suck carbon dioxide, check soil erosion, etc. Next, you draw some simple and relevant picture and write brief information about the campaign, like the campaign is going to be held on 5th June 2024 on World Environment Day at 8 am. And at last, you are to mention the issuing authority. So, I am writing issued in the student's interest by the principal, ABC School. While making a poster, we should keep a few things in our mind. That, number one, word limit of a poster would be within 50 words. Number 2, we are not going to use any abbreviation here. Number 3, we would try to use very simple and lucid language so that everyone can comprehend and the purpose of the poster is served. Number 4, we are to complete our poster in a single page. Number 5, in exam, you can use different colors, preferably pencil colors, to make your poster attractive, but don't make it messy. Next in this video, you will get to see some more posters designed on various topics. You can take screenshots and study them later. Here is our first example. The question is, suppose you are the secretary of the Society for Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, Hooghly. Now, prepare a poster in not more than 50 words on kindness to animals to be displayed in the city at public places, appealing to people to show kindness to animals. Carefully notice how I have designed the poster. At first, I have drawn a box. Next, the title or theme, Be Kind to Animals. Just below it, I have used a catchy quote, you can judge a man's true character by the way he treats his fellow animals. Then draw a very simple and relevant picture. After that, some important instructions are provided and finally the issuing authority is mentioned. The second example is on the topic that design a poster highlighting the importance and ways of rainwater harvesting that can be implemented by the residents of the area. See, the format is not fixed. but I have included all the points to make my poster effective and attractive. At first, don't forget to draw a box, then a quote or slogan. A relevant but very simple drawing. Don't spend much time in drawing a picture. Then some relevant information or instruction, and finally mention the issuing authority. Always use your creativity to make your poster look attractive to grab the attention of the people. The next topic is very easy. Design a poster on the theme of climate change and the world in 2050. Again, I want to tell you that there is no fixed format or a fixed way to design a poster, but in your poster you should include all the points, that is, a box at first, a title or theme, some relevant information, very simple picture, bubbles or any related symbol, and finally the issuing authority. Now, I hope you have learned the art of designing a poster and have found this video helpful. Like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video with your friends. Thank you.